Today I'm taking a look at the GiGimundo M20 MagSlim Portable SSD. So there is the drive. Has a very neat looking design. Got a USB-C port in the bottom. Looks like we got our indicator light. We actually have a MagSafe ring on here. So let's go ahead and try that. And that is strong enough to hold itself up. So if you have an iPhone and you want to be able to just basically stick this to it and have extended storage, we do have that as an option. We also have our cable. And this actually looks to be gold plated, which is very nice. We have metal casings there on the end, and we have a textured pattern on the cable itself. Nice and short, so we don't have to worry about this thing being all over the place whenever we're using it. And that fits in no problem. It does come with instructions, and it says that this is capable of up to 20 gigabits per second. And it looks like we also have a ring with some adhesive on it so that we can attach this to our phone in the event that we don't have an iPhone. Now, I already have a ring on my phone, and that does stick to that no problem. But if you didn't have this ring, you'll be able to just take this, stick that to your phone, and you have the same solution as what I already have. So this laptop has Thunderbolt 3 ports. You can see that that LED did light up, and it did pick that up right away. So I'm going to copy and paste about 15 gigabytes worth of pictures and video, and it appears to be reading right around 640 megabytes per second. And it is playing those files. So let's do a speed test. Okay, so for sequential 1 byte, 8 process 1 thread, we got 1068 on the read and 996 on the write. For the sequential 1 byte, 1 process 1 thread, we got 833 and 795. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 216 and 228. For the random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 34 and 52. So those are some excellent speeds for a small portable SSD. Now it does say on here that it's designed for the iPhone 15 or 16, but is also compatible with Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Android. So if you're looking for an extra 1 terabyte of storage that is fairly versatile and fairly fast, that is going to be an excellent option.